Now we are going to start the reasoning and that too syllogism. We already discussed about the syllogism through story method. Today we are going to discuss the same topic, but the method will be different. Here the method we are going to use is Venn diagram. Now we know Venn diagram you might have studied in your bachelor degree program or in your 12th grade. The Venn degree is going to use when you will have 2 or 3 statements and they are somehow logically connected, and then you are putting the same statement in a logical diagram. After you put into a logical diagram, then you have to use certain rules which I am going to tell you, and that will help you to interpret what diagrams is telling you. So let us not waste our time too much in discussion. Let us start the logical Venn diagram. So in a logical Venn diagram, we are going to start that certain rules. So some of the rules of the Venn diagram method. Suppose there is a circle and there is inner circle. Now what is inner circle, what is outer circle, that I will discuss later on, but understand the matter first what I am telling you. And when you are bringing an arrow out like this, it indicates all, and when you are making a arrow, inward arrow, it indicates some. Are you clear? So outward arrow is about all statement. All means when there is an all involved in the statement. An inward arrow is for the statement where some is written into it. So are you clear about the arrow? Now you have to draw a brain diagram. You have to draw a brain diagram and non-brain diagram. So when you are going to use a brain diagram, in brain diagram you are going to use your imagination and possibilities and drawing a brain diagram. In a non-brain diagram, whatever is given in the sentences, you are using those sentences and making a non-brain brain diagram. Now when to use a brain diagram and when not to use the non-brain diagram? In a conclusion, remember the word, in a conclusion, if there is a negative statement like no is written into it or negative connotation is given, then you have to use brain diagram and non-brain diagram both. But in a conclusion, there is nothing like negative statement into it, then you have to use only non-brain diagram. So these are the basic rule of syllogism. We will discuss and apply each rule when we are going to discuss different models of the Venn diagram. So let us understand the following example. How to deal with the idea all. This is our model number 1. So all managers are MBA. So what is the word near to all? Near to all is manager. So here you have to draw a small circle and here I am writing manager. So MGR. All managers are MBA. Now this word MBA is actually a bigger circle. So here I am writing MBA. Now you see all managers are MBA. All managers are MBA. So it is logically drawn the diagram. Now and all MBA are intelligent. All MBA. Now MBA is a smaller circle and intelligent is yet a bigger circle. So I am writing intelligent. Now here these are the conclusions which are given. Some intelligent are manager. So remember, the word some is coming. When some is coming, you have to draw an inward arrow. So you draw an inward arrow and check. Some intelligent are manager. Yes, some intelligent are manager. So this is correct. Some intelligent are MBA. Again you draw an inward arrow and you see some intelligent are MBA. Yes, this is also correct. Some MBA are manager. Some MBA are manager. So this is also correct. So remember, inward arrow is used when some is involved into your conclusion. Next, all managers are intelligent. So all manager is a smaller circle, intelligent is a larger circle. All MBA are intelligent. So MBA is a smaller circle and intelligent is a larger circle. Now when I draw an outer arrow, I can say all managers are intelligent. This is correct. Or all MBA are intelligent. This is also correct. So outward arrow is used when I am using all. Model number 2, where some is written. Some managers are intelligent and some intelligent are MBA. So some manager, not all, some are intelligent. So this is an intelligent portion and this is the manager and intelligent portion. So it actually talk about this particular area where there is an intersections of managers and intelligent. So when sum is written, 99% case it is a intersections of the two diagram. Now we will draw, this is a diagram which is we made out of the sentences which are given. Now we can make a brain diagram and we are adding that no manager is MBA. Sorry, manager, some managers are MBA. If I want to insert into a diagram which is originally like this, manager intelligent. Now some managers are MBA. So what I am going to write, I am going to intersect this here and I am going to put MBA. Now here is some kind of imagination that I am going to use, because nowhere it is written no manager is MBA. Therefore I can add this third intersection together. So I am talking about this portion. Model number 3, where there are all and some are coming together in a given premises. For example, all MBA are managers, some managers are intelligent. So what you need to do? All MBAs are managers. So manager is a bigger circle and MBA is a smaller circle. And then some managers are intelligent. So some managers, this is manager, this is intelligent. So this is correct. But if I use a brain diagram, and if you remember the story of bread and butter, when a mother is saying that this is a bread and here there is a smaller amount of butter, if she is saying to her son that bring some piece of portion of the bread slice and the son is breaking the slice from here, this is also correct. Now she is telling to another person to bring the some portion of the same bread slice, so that person is breaking the slice from here where there are some butter on it. So he will pick up this portion of bread slice and give it to the mother. So both are correct because they are breaking the bread slice of the same bread and butter. Therefore we can insert it intelligent into MBA also. So this is called a brain diagram, that you are well aware of it if you remember the story of bread and butter. How to deal with the statement with some and all in it? So some MBA are manager. Some MBA are manager. So this is MBA and this is manager. So this is the area that we are talking about. All managers are intelligent, and all managers, it means cover up the entire portion of the manager and then intelligent. Now in conclusion it is given whether they are correct or not correct. Some MBA are intelligent. So inward arrow you have to draw. Inward arrow you have to draw. Some MBA means you have to draw an inward arrow. Some MBA are intelligent. This is wrong. Some intelligent are MBA. Some intelligent are MBA. So this is right. So please remember, outward arrow is for all and inward arrow is for some. Model number 5. In the model number 5, statement with no, then how to deal with. No MBA is intelligent. So here MBA and no word is written means there is no relation between intelligent and MBA. So this is a separate circle. So this is how you have to draw when the no is written. No means separations, no relations. Now the question arises in your mind when to draw a no brain diagram and when to draw both brain diagram and no brain diagram. So remember, when in the given conclusion no is written, so in the conclusion somewhere no is written, the moment no is written, then you have to make both the diagram, brain diagram and non-brain diagram. Both the diagram you have to draw. But in the conclusion, nowhere there is negative conclusion, then you have to draw only non-brain diagram. Do you understand? So whenever the proposition is given to you, you have to first look at the conclusion. If in the conclusion there is a word no or a negative word is written, then you have to draw both the diagram, brain diagram as well as non-brain diagram. But in the conclusion there is no negative conclusion included in it, then you have to make only non-brain diagram. Now keeping this idea in mind, let us study this premises. All managers are MBA, all MBA are intelligent, all intelligent men are successful. So these are called premises or propositions. And then these are three conclusions, 1, 2 and 3. All smart people are MBA, this is affirmative. All MBAs are manager, this is also affirmative. All managers are intelligent, this is also affirmative. Means you have to make only one diagram, that is non-brain diagram. No need to make a brain diagram because in the conclusion nowhere negative sentences is given in the conclusion. So we have checked the conclusion and there is no words written into it. Therefore we will draw only no brain diagram. So what are the sentences? All smart people are MBA. So all smart people are MBA. So MBA and smart people. Then all MBA are manager. All MBA are manager. And the third is all managers are intelligent. All managers are intelligent. Now first conclusion. All people are MBA. Now what is there in the conclusion? All. So you have to draw an outer circle and then you draw an outer circle and then you read all smart people. Smart people is here, are MBA. MBA is inside. So this is wrong. Next, all MBA are managers. All MBA are managers. Now MBA is here, manager is inside. So this is also wrong. This is also wrong. And the third conclusion, all managers are intelligent. All managers are intelligent. So yes, this is correct. All managers are intelligent. So if you look at managers are here and intelligent is here, So everything is as per the outward arrow. Why we draw the outward arrow? Because it is all. So yes, this is correct. Next, some professionals are trainers. Now remember, the word some is coming. Some trainers are experts and some experts are CEO. So these are the three premises which is given it to you. Now look at the conclusion. Conclusion number 1. Some HR professional are expert. Of course it is some, but it is not negative, it is positive statement. Some trainers are CEO. Again it is a positive statement. Some HR professionals are CEO. This is also a positive statement. There is no negative statement involved into the conclusion. So you have to use only non-brain diagram. So here we are making a non-brain diagram. Some HR are experts. So these are the no brain diagram, one after other, one after other, and then you can decide the validity of the conclusions. For example, some HR professionals are expert. There is no interactions between HR professionals and experts. HR is here, expert is here. There is no relations between these two. So this is wrong. Some trainers are CEO. CEO is here. CEO is here and trainer is here. So there is no direct relation between them. So this is also wrong. Some HR professionals are CEO. This is HR professional, this is CEO. So this is also wrong. So none follows. That is, not a single conclusion is correct. Next, all marketers are smart people. So here all is written. Some smart people are intelligent. All intelligent are successful. So these are three premises. Now look at the conclusion 1, 2 and 3. Some successful are intelligent. This is positive statement. Some smart people are marketers. This is also a positive statement. Some intelligent are marketers. This is also a positive statement. So there is only positive statements are there. So we are going to use non-brain diagram. Non-brain diagram means as per the statement you have to draw the diagram. So look, smart people and marketers, intelligence and marketers, and successfuls and smart people. So look at the inward arrow and then you apply the sum. So some people are intelligent. So look at this arrow which is inside. So some smart people are intelligent. So here it is an intelligent. So this is valid. Some smart people are marketers. So this is correct. Some marketers. This is. Some intelligent are marketers. No, some intelligent are smart people, but they are not touching here. So this is wrong. Next question. Some engineers are innovative. Some innovatives are entrepreneurs, and all entrepreneurs are successful. So these are the three premises. Now look at the conclusion. Some successful are innovative. This is positive. Some innovative are engineers. This is also positive. Some successful are engineers. This is also positive. So conclusions are positive. When all conclusions are positive, then you have to draw non-brain diagram. Non-brain diagram means you have to draw the diagram as per the given statement. Don't use your imagination. So here, if I draw the diagram, these are engineers, these are innovative, these are, again E means engineers, and these are successful. So some innovative are successful. Some innovative is here and successful is here. So some innovative are successful. Yes, this is valid because successful part is also inverted into innovation. So this is correct. If you draw like this, this is correct. Some innovators are engineers. Some innovators are engineers. So this is innovator and this is engineers. So this is also valid. Some successful are engineer. Some successful is here and engineer is here. So no, there is no correlations between engineer and successful because they are separated. So this is invalid. Next, look at the statement. All finance managers are chartered accountant. Some chartered accountant are company secretary. No company secretary is CEO. So these are the three premises. Now read the conclusion. No finance manager is CEO. So no word is written. Remember, this is no is coming into the conclusion. No is coming into the conclusion. So when the no is coming into the conclusion, you have to draw two diagrams. You have to draw non-brain diagram which is as per this statement, and then you have to draw brain diagram by using your imagination and considering all possibilities. So let us look at the diagram. This is the diagram as per the statements given, that all chartered accountants are finance manager and all chartered accountants are company secretary, and no CEO is CA or CS. So this is over here. Now under this situation, we cannot find any possibilities that CEO will enter into CA or CS. Since the company secretary is the biggest circle and no company secretary is CEO, which is very clearly mentioned, therefore we cannot use our imagination and we cannot make a brain diagram. So no FM is CEO, here is FM and there is CEO, and it is said they are not connected. Yeah, of course they are not connected, so it is correct. No CS is CEO, so this is CS and this is CEO. They are also not connected, so it is also valid. Some CS are FM, some CS are FM. So let's say CM and FM inward direction. So this is CS and this is FM. Yes, this is also correct. So all conclusions are correct. Next statement. All mathematicians are accountant. All statisticians are accountant. All accountants are analytical. These are the premises which is given. Now look at the conclusion. Some statisticians are mathematician. This is a positive statement. Some analytical are statistician. This is also a positive statement. No statistician is mathematician. So here the word no is coming. The moment no word is coming, then you have to draw two diagrams. One is non-brain diagram. Non-brain diagram is as per this statement, and brain diagram is as per your imagination. Now look at, this is a no brain diagram. Now under the non-brain diagram, what is written? Some statisticians are mathematician. Some statisticians are mathematician. All statisticians are accountant. All statisticians are accountant. And no statistician is mathematician. So no statistician is mathematician. So it is a separate circle. Now we are using a brain diagram. In the brain diagram, we say mathematician and statisticians are, there are some mathematicians who are statisticians, and there are some statisticians who are mathematicians, and there are some accountant who may be a mathematician and who may be a statisticians, and they are all analytical. So this is what we can make out of our imagination. Here the brain diagram, there is a possibility of mathematician and statistician intersect with each other. So in brain diagram here we have intersected mathematician and statistician. Nowhere in the statement it is given that no statistician is mathematician. So therefore we can intersect these two. Some statisticians are mathematician. So some statisticians are mathematician. This is valid. Some analytics are statistician. Some analytics are statistician. This is also valid because analytic to statistician it is going inside, so it is also correct. Next statement, all newspaper are media, some media are press, all press are authentic. So this is a premises or a proposition or a statement. Now look at the conclusion. Some newspaper are authentic, positive. Some authentic are media, positive statement. No newspaper is authentic. Now this is a negative conclusion. So you have to draw two diagrams. One is non-brain diagram, another one is brain diagram. Non-brain diagram we have to follow our statement, and for the brain diagram we have to use our imagination. Our imagination, we are considering all the possibilities. So now let us see. Number one, some newspaper are authentic. Some newspaper are authentic. Some papers are authentic. Some media are press. Some media, this is a media, some media are press. Some media are press. No newspaper is authentic. No newspaper, so this is a newspaper and this is an authentic. So this is a no brain diagram as per the statement. Now look, as per the brain diagram we can use our imagination and imagine that press should be the part of newspaper. So here press and this is newspaper, this is authentic and this is a media. Now we can check the conclusion validity with the help of these two diagrams. Some newspaper are authentic. So some newspaper are authentic. Now as per no brain diagram this is wrong, and some newspaper are authentic. So both the sides, the first statement is invalid. So with the brain diagram it is invalid, and with the non-brain diagram it is invalid, and brain diagram it is invalid. Some authentic are media. Some authentic are media. So authentic and media, yes. Some authentic and media, yes. So this is a valid statement, or this is a valid conclusion. So correct. Some authentic are media, this is correct. No newspaper is authentic. Look at the diagram 1. No newspaper is authentic. So newspaper is here and authentic here. So this is correct as per diagram number 1. This is correct. Then no newspaper is authentic. Yes, this is also correct. So this is also correct. So answer is either 1, 2 and 3. Next statement. All government program focus on poverty alleviation. All poverty alleviation are subsidy. All subsidies are benefits, and no benefit is development. So there are 4 premises and there are 3 conclusions which are given, and in the conclusion number 3 no word is given. So you have to make non-brain diagram and you have to also make brain diagram. Non-brain diagram you have to make as per this statement, and the brain diagram you have to use your imagination. So this is no brain diagram, and no brain diagram is possible over here. Now you just follow the inward of the circle. All benefits are alleviation program. All word is given, then you have to make this kind of statement, or this time of arrow, outer arrow, and then all benefits. The benefit is here, and poverty alleviation program is here. So it is going inside, but our arrow all is actually going outside. So this is invalid. Some government policy is development. So government policy is development. Development is here and government policy here. It is disconnected. So this is also invalid. No development is government policy. No development is government policy. So it is separated. Therefore it is no. And in conclusion it is also given no. So this is a valid conclusion. So here we have completed the syllogism with the help of a Venn diagram. Now we are going to discuss the syllogism with the theory in the volume number 3.